Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include leather seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moon roof, ventilated seats. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2017 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, bed liner, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, keyless start. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.